sound check, please. Stand by, camera 1. And 3, 2.
Ease joint pain with Suzanne Andrews Arthritis Relief Walking Workout. Seated or standing, you'll feel great, increasing your strength, stamina, and range of motion in this scenic 2-mile walk. Filmed at the most beautiful gardens in North America, you'll want to make sure to watch Functional Fitness with Suzanne Andrews Arthritis Relief Walking Workout on this public television station.
And Suzanne has put years of therapeutic exercise experience into the functional fitness starring Suzanne Andrews DVDs. This is the best collection of information on both conventional and alternative therapies for arthritis available anywhere. And if you're one of the ones who's lucky and you may have escaped the pain and discomfort for now, well, chances are you know someone who can benefit from this program. Help them to heal themselves. Help them to regain their independence, their love of life, the comfort and the relief that this program can bring.
Walk your way to strong, healthy bones with Suzanne Andrews Osteoporosis Walking Workout. Demonstrated with 3 fitness levels, so you choose the pace that's right for you, sitting or standing. You'll love working out in the midst of spectacular Florida garden setting. Designed with osteoporosis safe movements for middle-aged to older adults. Tune in to put the fun in functional fitness with Suzanne Andrews Osteoporosis Walking Workout.
I really find Suzanne Andrews' functional fitness class to be a great resource.
Today, I'm thrilled and I'm actually grateful to God that I no longer have pain in my knee as a result of following that exercise program.
Do you want a firm belly without straining your back or doing sit-ups on the floor? Functional Fitness with Suzanne Andrews Vertical Ab Toner guides you with seated and standing moves to strengthen your core and protect your back from injury. Filmed on location in the beautiful Ladue Gardens in Moncton, Maryland. You'll enjoy putting the fun in functional fitness with Suzanne Andrews Vertical Ab Toner Workout. Build a stronger back with Suzanne Andrews Functional Fitness Osteoporosis Back Strength and Stretch Workout. You increase bone density and back strength as Suzanne Andrews guides you with osteoporosis safe movements. You choose the pace that's right for you. Tune in to put the fun in functional fitness. If you find yourself having trouble controlling your overactive bladder or leak when you cough, jump, or sneeze, you won't want to miss Suzanne Andrews' Functional Fitness 30-Day Bladder Fix, effective for both women and men. You'll learn exercises that can be done while seated in the comfort of your own home that eliminate urinary incontinence and stop overactive bladder. Make sure to watch Functional Fitness with Suzanne Andrews' 30-Day Bladder Fix's medically proven exercises for pelvic floor strengthening. Build strong legs with Suzanne Andrews Functional Fitness Leg Strengthening Workout. Designed for greater walking ease. You'll experience improved mobility with these leg strengthening moves. Seated or standing. You choose the pace that's right for you. Watch Suzanne Andrews Functional Fitness Leg Strengthening Workout.
It's simple, it's easy to follow, it incorporates all the important things that you need for an exercise program, the cardio, the resistance, the stretching, all in one simple, functional, and effective program.
Strengthen your lungs and breathing muscles with Suzanne Andrews Functional Fitness Lung Power Walking Workout, filmed at the most beautiful gardens in North America. With emphasis on increasing lung capacity and heart health, Suzanne Andrews guides you with integrated breathing and walking movements to help you live a stronger, healthier life. You choose the pace that's right for you. Tune in to put the fun in functional fitness with Suzanne Andrews Lung Power Walking Workout. Arm Conditioning Program provides you with a complete upper body workout designed to strengthen connective tissue in the elbows, shoulders, spine, wrists, and hands, improving joint integrity, stability, and injury prevention. Your stronger upper body will make everyday tasks become easier. You'll carry all the grocery bags in with ease, pick up items from a shelf easily, move items without getting a backache, and so much more.
After more than 30 years of helping people transform their lives, I can't wait to help you put the fun in functional fitness for the best of your life.